To stay competitive in 2026, relying on standard chatbots won't be enough. Surviving means upgrading from passive text generators to active, autonomous AI workforces. Right now, a standard AI operates like a brilliant but entirely isolated brain. It can process complex logic and answer questions, but it is trapped inside a vacuum, unable to interact with the real world around it. Because of strict data boundaries, it cannot reach into company databases, it can't open local files, or trigger your external business tools. Raw intelligence without system access forces you to do the heavy lifting. You are left copying, pasting, and manually feeding data back and forth, keeping your business trapped in a slow manual input loop. Historically, connecting that isolated AI to your private business environment required a highly technical workaround. You had to sit down and write raw, custom code to bridge the gap. This diagram shows why custom coding is fragile. If your AI needs to talk to Slack, Google Drive, and your CRM, you must engineer individual API connections for each one. The moment one platform updates its system, these custom connections break down. While the AI processes information in milliseconds, human developers spend hundreds of hours maintaining this digital plumbing just to keep connections functional. The ceiling on automation existed in the infrastructure, not the intelligence. Models became more capable every year, yet the manual labor required to link them to business tools made large-scale deployment impossible. That infrastructure problem is exactly what the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is designed to solve. This diagram illustrates how the protocol works. MCP is not a new AI model. Instead, it acts as a standardized communication layer, a universal digital toolbox that sits between the intelligence and your applications. By using this protocol, developers no longer have to write custom scripts to stitch together dozens of individual integrations one by one. MCP translates the AI's intent into a universal language. When the AI wants to take an action, external tools instantly understand the request and accept it. To actually use this protocol, you have to deploy what's called an MCP client. Think of this as the connective tissue that hosts the protocol and executes the commands. This vertical architectural stack shows how a platform like Make.com operates as an MCP client. It sits right in the middle, bridging the gap between the AI brain at the top and your data environment at the bottom, entirely without raw code. With this assembly in place, the AI can autonomously reach down and securely query your local desktop files. It can simultaneously push new data directly out to external APIs, and it can continuously read your private business databases, shielded by standardized security protocols. Throughout all of these automated connections, the human user never has to configure, update, or manage a single individual endpoint. By deploying an MCP client, you are giving the AI the functional hands it requires to manipulate its environment directly. An integrated worker now operates where the isolated, jarred AI once sat. This side-by-side blueprint highlights the transition. System building has shifted from fragile, highly specialized custom engineering to a robust, modular plug-and-play architecture. Because the technical friction of custom coding is gone, the barrier that kept non-developers from deploying autonomous agents has officially been removed. For the user, this creates a new workflow. You no longer have to manually prompt the AI to fetch data, wait for the output, and then hand carry that data to another application. Instead, the system continuously runs its own tasks. With the standardized access provided by MCP, the interlocking steps of your business processes click into place and spin on their own. When you stack these automated tasks, you create a multiplier effect that allows a single individual to operate with the output of a fully staffed enterprise. This architecture is the engine behind the Gen Z passive income strategy. You set the AI up to execute the mechanical, repetitive tasks in the background, while you step back and collect the yield. Your daily routine shifts from being a manual AI user, directly typing out prompts, to an executive AI manager, overseeing the automated flow. The Model Context Protocol provides the foundational architecture you need to thrive in the 2026 AI landscape. Standardizing how your intelligence accesses its tools is the final step required to build your own autonomous AI workforce. Start building your ultimate workforce today, and make sure to subscribe to AI and Gen Z for more passive income strategies and AI future-proofing tips.